Dear students, I'm Amani Sharma, your educator. I warmly welcome you all on our YouTube platform, where we in today's video are going to move forward and ahead with one of the important topics that is in the research aptitude, that stands for effects in research, right? So whenever we feel like we want to proceed or undertake any sort of research, there are certain sorts of effects which can hamper the validity, credibility or the reliability of your research, for which you need to be very well aware of, right? So first of all, let's just look at the introduction and the definition of what are these effects in research. So here we see a brief definition. It refers to a measurable change or outcome resulting from a specific intervention. So let's just say we are going to talk about observer's effect as well. When a person is being observed, तो वो अपने आप के बिहेवियर को चेंज कर लेते हैं, मॉडिफाई कर लेते हैं. So when we see that there is some sort of change that is occurring in the field of research when we are proceeding with any project, that is what is known as an effect in a broader term, right? It represents the impact or influence of one or more factors. So जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही factor होगा जो कि responsible होगा for the change. There might be some many factors as well which will be contributing to a change in the result or a change based on the intervention जो कि बीच में initially आ गई है or in the middle of the research as well. Then we have the observer effect. This is the first type of effect that we see in the field of research, right? First kind of the many effects that we are to discuss in today's lecture. So, observer effect is the presence of an observer influences subject's behavior. So, let's just say आप एक researcher है and you are doing the research, and the people who have come to you to get under those particular circumstances जिसमें वो research होगी, so basically your presence, the presence of an observer will change the behavior or the results that these people wanted to talk about, right? तो इससे क्या होगा? Researcher की expectation inadvertently impact study participants. तो अगर मैं किसी से पूछूं, like if a teacher is asking the group of students in her class herself that why do you think I teach better, and do you think do I teach better? So just because they want to appear good in front of me, तो वो कहेंगे हाँ जी मैम, you teach really nice or you teach good etc. But if there is any sort of blind test which is being done, तो पता चल जाएगा what do they really think about the teacher. So you might be giving certain feedbacks in your schools, colleges as well for different teachers and professors as well, right? So जब observer effect तब होता है जब observer in the physical form is present in front of the study participants and they know that they are being observed. That's why they change and manipulate their behavior or the input that they are going to give. These expectations might be communicated through non-verbal cues or unintentional bias. So by chance researcher यहाँ पे खड़ा है and they are doing some sort of, they are giving cues, इशारे कर रहे हैं समझाने के लिए पार्टिसिपेंट को कि तुम इस पे ये ऑप्शन टिक करो, वो करो. That is also which is one sort of thing which will lead to the results which are not right, not valid, right? So it impacts the validity of the study results. Moving forward to the second type of effect that we have to study is the novelty effect. Novelty होता है नई, right? तो जब कोई नई चीज पहली बार आती है उसको आप स्टडी करते हो या सिचुएशन किसी नई में आप जाते हो, so that sort of effect is known as novelty effect. So participants, they respond differently due to the novelty of a situation. कि एक situation ही है जो उनके लिए नई है, that's why they respond differently, right? Their behavior changes temporarily due to a new environment. So let's just say a student, उन्होंने school change करा है. When they are moving to a new school, because the environment of a new school is different, the behavior of the child जो भी उस school में admission लिया है, that also changes, right? So that is the novelty effect. Initial stages में ऐसा भी होता है कि अगर आपको किसी नए टीचर ने पढ़ाना शुरू करा and you have heard very good things about that particular teacher, so you try to be a little more attentive in the class because you are learning from the teacher from the very first time, right? So that's there. Then we have the reactivity effect. This is somewhere or the other related to the observer effect as well, because here as well the reaction, here we will also see the changes in behavior of the participants which are being observed. But यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका जो रिसर्चर या ऑब्जर्वर है, they need to be present there physically. In the observer effect, the participants will see the presence of an observer, but in the reactivity effect, observer हो ना हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो let's just say in an office environment, if you know that you are being observed, maybe, right, but you don't know who is observing you, so you manipulate, you change your behavior according to the office environment there and then, right. Participants alter their behavior or responses. अगर आप questionnaire दे रहे हो, unintended alterations which you really do not feel कि हाँ जी ये होनी चाहिए, आप वो कर देते हो. इसके साथ भी validity पे फर्क पड़ता है. Moving to the placebo effect, one of the very famous and time and again asked in the NET examination. Now what's a placebo? Placebo is something where your beliefs or expectation influence your beliefs or outcomes. So let's just say अगर आपको डॉक्टर ने बोला that you've gone to a doctor and you've said कि I feel like I'm having fever, right? So the doctor gave you a pill. He did not tell you that he just gave you a sugar candy. So you ate it and then you later felt better because of that pill. That is something that we know as placebo. वो कभी exist ही नहीं करता. That is the false sort of treatment that the doctor or any other researcher will give, which will make you changes in your behavior as well, right? Participants report improvement attributed to the inert treatment. तो जैसे मैंने बोला, चाहे उनको कैंडी दी है, because the participants they do not know that they have been given the candy and they start feeling better. Sugar pill recipients, as I already given you, importance of controlling placebo effect in experimental design. तो experimental design में अगर आप लोग को पता होगा, there are certain changes that we need to make. There are certain groups, एक control group होता है, right? The treatment group as well, and then there's the control group, जिसके ऊपर treatment होती नहीं है. Usually the control group is the one which receives the placebo treatment, right? Moving forward to blind effect. Absence of prior knowledge influences the study outcomes. So let's just say there are participants who are receiving medication or placebo without knowing that what they are being provided with. So that's it. That is what we know as a blind effect. कि participants को ही नहीं पता है कि उन्हें कौन सी treatment मिल रही है. It reduces risk of bias reporting or expectation influencing outcomes. So this is a positive sort of effect which will lead to the results which somewhere or the other are going to be valid, right? Then we move to the Hawthorne effect. Hawthorne effect is observation or measurement influences behavior or outcome. It again is known by another name as well, evaluation. So let's just say there has been a study जिसमें ये देखा जा रहा है कि office में how many of people they do smoke, right? So when the office people will know कि हाँ जी यहाँ पे observation होगी, they will change and modify their smoking patterns as well. कोई इंसान जो दिन में 4 बार in the office goes to smoke, he will reduce that because he knows that he is being observed, right? So here, like employees work harder when they know that they are being observed, etc. जबकि उनकी evaluation होनी होती है. Then comes the demand effect. Demand effect में participants they alter their behavior based on the perceived expectations. There will be some person or a group which will be expecting certain things from the participant, and the participant based on that demand will change the behavior or the outcome. Participants इसका example है provide responses to perceive and fulfill the perceived expectations कि उनसे यही expect करा गया था and उन्होंने वही forms पे वही tick mark करा है. Rather than reflecting true thoughts or behavior, ये change कर देता है. What I am thinking personally, just because I know that this is what is demanded, I'm ticking that out, right? So that is the demand effect. Then we have Pygmalion effect. What is Pygmalion effect? It is also known as the self-fulfilling prophecy, where it is a psychological phenomena. So it does not really happen, in a physical format, but psychologically it works, where higher expectations lead to an increase in performance. So let's just say अगर आपके teacher जो है, they are showing कि yes, I expect good things from you, I expect that you will perform better in your test, then the students are going to study much and more, and वो positivity reflect होगी in the results later on, right? So इस वजह से this particular effect is known by the name Pygmalion. और अगर the teacher thinks of a student as a worst case, तो उसकी performance deteriorate होगी. That is what we know as the Pygmalion effect. A teacher believes a student has high academic potential and treats them accordingly. और उनसे जो expectations teacher रखती हैं, फिर student उसी expectation पे खरा उतरता है. Right? Then we move to the halo effect, the last effect for today. Here, basically, it is also a cognitive bias where अगर आपने for the very first time you have thought of somebody based on their or judged somebody based on their appearance or one single positive attribute, तो आप उनकी पूरी personality को उस पहले positive attribute से ही जज या फ्रेम कर लेते हो, राइट? सो हियर वी सी वेयर अ पर्सन्स ओवरऑल इंप्रेशन इन्फ्लुएंसेस परसेप्शन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक ट्रेट्स. सो इफ यू सी दैट देयर आर पीपल आउट देयर हु लुक मोर अट्रैक्टिव, हु लुक मोर प्रेजेंटेबल, you will see the other person will perceive them as somebody who is very professional, who knows how to deal with things, etc. Right? So perception of physical attractiveness leads to assumptions of intelligence or kindness. कि ये सुंदर है तो ये काइंड भी होंगी, राइट? सो ये चीजें जो हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वन पॉजिटिव एट्रीब्यूट योर एंटायर पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स आर फॉर्म्ड. Overlooking negative qualities. So आपने तो already due to one positive impression you have created the entire traits of a personality. You are overlooking the negative ones. This is the negative point in here of the halo effect, right? So I hope things were clear to you. I'll see you guys in another video. If you have any doubts, you can drop them down on the comment section below. I will try to reply for sure. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.